Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. Can you guess what we are making today? Don't try me. I know you can see what it is. God. It's a butterfly. Yay! We have something more fun for our little girls or to just make our hairstyles just more artistic. And this video is my first attempt at making a butterfly, so please be nice. It actually didn't come out that bad, but I believe I am going to keep practicing this, and if I can come up with easier ways to make this, then I will. This one is not even that hard. Just watch the tutorial and follow it. I'm sure your own is going to come out better because I am testing the water. I'm your litmus paper here, so just let's go. And you can read what I am writing. That is what I'm doing. So guys, please, as you watch this tutorial, please don't skip the ads, or at least don't skip all the ads, because that is the way I am able to benefit also from this video and for the effort I put into putting this out. So please be supportive. Also remember to like and just click the thumbs up button, and remember that when you do this, it helps me grow. Please also send it to like a friend or a family member who will not think this is cheesy because anyone that has a little girl that makes her hair, that likes to just play with her hairstyles, please forward this to them. It will be very nice of you and make you a better friend, seriously, but it is also going to help my channel to get discovered and promoted by YouTube. So please help me out. And if you have any question, I will be in the description. I will be in the comment section expecting your questions. And also click the subscribe button if what I do resonates with you on any level, because one day you might come and look for this tutorial and you will not see, like, you'll not be able to remember the name and all those things, and when you search butterfly braids you will keep seeing wonderful things and you will not see this tutorial and that day you are going to cry. So please just subscribe. If you don't like my subsequent videos, then you can unsubscribe. No, like, subscribe if you feel like you're actually going to watch my content. If my content is going to annoy you, please don't subscribe and come and be pulling down my analytics. I'm joking. I actually appreciate every second you spend here, because that is why I'm here, to share what I know and share how I try things and show you my mess ups and how I get it right. So for this first attempt, just expect more butterfly cornrows hairstyle until we get it, until it is so easy to recreate that, like, we'll be whipping it out like the hard braids. And maybe we'll start trying different types of butterflies. We'll start making biology on the hair. I'm just joking, but guys, you get what I mean. Please don't skip the ads. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to, or if any part of your heart say, maybe I should subscribe, you better to subscribe. Oh god, it's midnight and I'm just making noise talking alone. Please like this video. Please don't skip the ads. I wanna make money. I wanna make money. Let me know how the butterfly braids go. If you want to tag me to see, I expect your efforts to be more than my own. I expect your results to be better than mine. Not for the just be kind to yourself, Sha. For the first time, just try, follow my steps, step by step, and you get it better than mine. So if you want me to see this, you can tag me Chi Hair Diaries on Instagram, and I will see and repost and just hail you, because it is not easy to braid an animal on your hair. Where is it easy now? Who they plait animal for their hair now? We are too much. We are too much in our own small ways. You get what I mean? So guys, let's just keep watching. You hear my voice again and again as I come back to explain what I am doing. But for here, just read and try. So now I'm going to take off the tail of the braid from the top left section and braid it into the lower right section. I don't know if the writing is confusing, but you get what I mean, because if you're trying this or watching this and trying to understand, you will understand it, because I just try to explain as much as I can, but that was it. So the top left into the lower right and the top right into the lower left, like that. Just zigzag it into their self and then braid the middle. It sounds simple. I try and let's see. Let's see. And so now, guys, you remember the middle section or the stomach section that we sectioned off the first time and braided away. Now it's time to go back to it. So I take down that middle braid or the stomach area, and I just make the section to be cleaner, and or adjust it according to the size of the wings of the butterfly. And then when I was done, I made the antennas. You're going to see how I go about that very soon. So to explain what I am doing, I section off two very thin straight lines from the top of the head outwards, like for the antenna, the angle the antenna is supposed to point at. And then at the end of that thin line, I make like a circle, and then that circle part, I just pinch off that hair and use a rubber band to section it off. The rubber band is just to add more details there, and I didn't keep tightening it on the tiny hair. I just wrapped it 3 times to make like a statement there, and then I braided that antenna down towards the middle of the body. When I was done with this first one, I braided it enough for it not to unravel, and then I made the second one. And when I braided it down to where the first one was, I joined the whole braids and started braiding it into the middle sections of the middle section of where the intestines of the butterfly is supposed to be. I don't know if butterflies have intestines. Butterfly. I don't know if butterflies have intestines, but you get what I mean. So I braided everything towards that middle, all the way to the base of to the bottom, like where the anus is supposed to be. If it were if the anatomy of the butterfly is as we would assume, I braided it all the way to the bottom, through the stomach, this antenna into the head, then down the stomach and down to the ass. And when I got down, I used a latch hook to bring it back up. But if you were making a complete hairstyle, I would suggest that when you get to the tail, to the bottom of the butterfly, you just incorporate the tail of the braid into like one of your braids in the hairstyle. And then if you're using accessories, you can use that to mark like a the end of where the butterfly should be. I hope you understand what if you try this, you will get what I mean. So you can just, okay, when I added one of the wings, like the tail from one of the wings, the second one was, I didn't want it to like float up. It made the hair a little bit bulkier, but it made everything lie down flat. So I used a latch hook to pass it underneath the braid I was already making before incorporating it into the braid. Okay, for what I was explaining, if you are making a hairstyle, you can just braid this one all the way down into your braid or into your hairstyle. I think that is going to be nicer. But since I am too lazy to braid the whole hair, I just want to demonstrate how to make a butterfly. So I did this. I just used a latch hook to connect it back into the braids all the way to the head, and then I am going to proceed to add my accessories, so you can watch how I do that. And let's see at the end of the video. If you have watched up to this point, please leave a thumbs up. It helps my channel to grow. If you can leave a comment, wonderful. If you have watched an ad, you're an angel. Thank you, because all those things are what help my channel to grow, and I appreciate it. This is the code I will be using. If you want to purchase this from Amazon, you check my Amazon store. The link is in the description bar. That is where I have like the links of everything I use and like, even my beautiful dummy head. I love this dummy hair, this African braiding training hair. I love it. The link to it will be in the description bar in my Amazon store. You can check that out. So I am also using this link to kind of tighten the stomach. Remember, the braids are bulky from adding all of them here. So this string is also like pulling the section. This is like their waist trainer. I am applying a waist trainer to the butterfly, like just cinching in the midsection so that it won't be as if it just overfed, you know, you know. That's sad, but I'm just using it to pull the middle side together so that it will look like the abdomen, like the stomach section. And I think our butterfly is coming together. This is something you should have in mind whenever you're making any design. I think even in makeup, there is a point you will get to that look as if you're actually not making sense, but you just need to keep working and pass that stage, and at the point it's going to start looking pulled together, or it start making sense. So I take this all the way into the antennas, but I didn't focus on wrapping it around there so much, and then I brought it back to the midsection, and that was where I tied it off. So just keep watching, you understand what I mean. If you have any question, ask me. This is my first attempt, so be kind, be nice. I believe if I keep making this, it's going to keep getting better. And if I learn an easier way to braid this, I will make a video. Like, I will practice more, of course. And if I can come up with something better or an easier method, I'm actually thinking of a way I could make this and not separate the two wings, like make just one sectioning up, carve it into the lower one so that it will be one big wing on the left and one big wing on the right. I don't know, I'm just thinking of it. I'll try it out, and if it works out, I will make a video on that and link it under this one so that you can just check it out. If you don't see anything there, that means we are still where we are. Okay, let's continue watching.